All right, guys, so we are out here in the backyard, and what do we have on the tree, on the crazy tree? We have the Ridge Runner again. And why do we have the Ridge Runner here again? I'm going to show you why. It's in my hand. Matthew, reached out to Matthew and asked him if he could make me a bolt a little bit longer than the original. Let me take out the original one here. So here's the original, and here is the new one. This one is just under 3/4. This one is just under 1 inch. And the reason I asked him for that was so we could get that more tilt up. Before we were at 12.5, I think it was 12 or 12.5 on a tilt up angle. Now with this new bolt, and he has a nice little, almost a 45 on the edge of that thing. You can see that right there. And when we put this into the thing now, the new one, put a couple tilts in, and now we're going to go back up there. And I'm going to hook in. Now with that new bolt in there, we went from 12.5 on an up angle to 20 on the up angle. It is right there with the tethered platform now on the up angle. Can't ever go the other direction, but that bolt has made a world of difference now. So when I'm on this tree, I can stand here very easily now, which is so nice. So Matthew is going to have this new bolt, I believe he said, on his website if you want to upgrade yours, if you think you're going to have a tree like that. And then I think once he runs out of the original bolts, I believe he indicated that the Ridge Runners that will go out at that point in time will have the longer bolt in them. So Matthew, great job. Thank you for getting that bolt to me so I could try it out. And it really gives you that extra 8-9 degree angle. So if you have that upswing that you need, that up tilt, it works awesome. So great job. Thank you, Matthew. If you guys are getting yourself a Ridge Runner and you want to change that bolt out, he's got that available for you. And I will see you guys later. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.